Whether you need to upgrade some tools in your workshop or have some upcoming projects that require new gear, this list offers an all-around great place to start your search. There are many products available to choose the best power tools and products, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bosch 7.2 amp barrel grip jigsaw kit. The Bosch barrel grip jigsaw is the ultimate choice for accuracy and control. During our tests, this model excelled at speed, maneuverability, and minimal chip out both at 90 and 45 degrees. This jigsaw comfortably keeps the user's hand close to the workpiece, helping avoid the tipping that tends to occur with taller top handle jigsaws. The Bosch JS572EBK jigsaw features an upgraded soft grip area up front to provide additional user comfort. It also offers the smallest barrel grip area circumference in class for maximum user control. Also, the grip is slimmer than most barrel-style grips for better control and improved comfort. The saw has a high amperage at 7.2 amps and a speed range of 800 to 3000 strokes per minute. Speed is regulated by a dial at the rear of the barrel. Number 2. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. The Bosch track saw performed the most cuts the best and the easiest in the tests we ran. The motor was plush even under duress when cutting red oak or composite decking. There was zero vibration, and the saw has a nice upright handle position, sensible switches, and the most power of the group. This saw delivered on all counts. Track saw with plunge action provides fast, easy setup for one-step clean finish cuts in wood and wood-based sheet goods, such as laminated particle boards and plywood. It comes with two 63-inch rails and a handy carry bag to keep rails safe on a job site or in a busy shop. With 126 inches of rail and a lengthy cord, this track saw is an absolute go-to for long rips and crosscuts in deck building activities. Number 3. Makita 5-inch random orbit sander with tool case. The right sander can quickly and easily add the right finishing touches on a woodworking project. The Makita random orbit sander combines all the best features found in a tool in its category. In testing, it had the power needed for stock removal, all while running quietly and smoothly. Its power and vibration went straight into the work without sending any back to the user. We found that its tall and slender shape would make this sander great for long jobs. Featuring a powerful 3-amp motor that sands at up to 12,000 orbits per minute, this Makita sander is a powerful ally to have in the workshop. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max 1/4-inch impact driver kit. Those looking for enough driving power to build a garage or a shed need look no further than this DeWalt impact driver. In our tests, the DeWalt impact driver excelled at inserting various fasteners into softwoods and hardwoods, and we found it worked well for loosening previously frozen fasteners without stripping out the heads. We were also highly impressed by the sensitivity of the variable speed trigger. This driver features an ergonomic grip, hex chuck, and 3 LED lights, and comes with a 20-volt lithium-ion battery and charger. Its powerful torque, compact design, and light weight of just 2.8 pounds make the DeWalt our top pick for an impact driver. Number 5. Wen 4214 12-inch variable speed drill press. Wen makes some powerful electric tools, and the 4214 variable speed drill press is no exception. We really enjoyed working with the Wen 12-inch drill press in testing. The motor was quiet, the long 3-inch travel was a plus, and the digital speed readout on the front of the drill press helped us keep track of the speed. Though the speed adjustment lever was stiff, the worktable, its crank, and the roller certainly made up for it. This 12-inch drill adjusts between 580 and 3,200 revolutions per minute in very fine increments and has adjustable depth stop for repeatable results. The worktable is adjustable up to 45 degrees left and right and features a crank handle for raising and lowering. The T-horsepower motor has plenty of power for any shop project. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.